feels good, doesn't it?
It's
And
funny.
you don't need to have it bother you, no.
I just worked on this little Kentucky mountain horse. He's quite young, but he's been broke to death saddle-wise, but nothing else.
No manners.
No ground, and he's the sweetest little horse, and he was just like terrified the whole time. Then he was like, oh, wait a minute, I like you. Like, once he figured it out, he'd jump and he'd go, oh no, it's okay.
Calm down, this is really feeling good.
I know,
Oh,
he's got
how
one of
cute.
the nicest personalities. Like, I was really impressed. He's a neat little horse who just doesn't know anything. Had a little bit of some rough handling, but
Is he being ridden now or trained?
he's gonna be, yeah. He had 3 months of training him. She brought him down there, so he's broke. I mean, we threw this huge saddle up on him. Like, she's kind of weak, so when she threw it up, I mean, she literally tossed, just to get some momentum. And he was like, yeah, whatever, I'm fine. So that he understood. But if he didn't understand, he was like, but he's just one of the nicest, sweetest, smart little horses.
She'll probably have some fun with him then.
Yeah, he came though. He body score of 4. So he's got to gain some weight. And
Well,
he's
spring
at
is coming.
he's at a 5. Yeah, it's not going to be any problem in this. In fact, the other horses are obese. I'm like, it's ridiculous how fat. And these gaited horses do get. They founder easily.
So
like
why are they
Morgan's.
letting him get so fat?
It's just the way this person is. Like, so I read her the riot act about the other one who arrived last fall. It's like, okay, we're no morbidly obese and you're 6.
Oh, that's terrible.
That's terrible. Go ahead forward a whole step. Good boy. That's good.
That's better.
But every once in a while, you working a little horse, it just had a really phenomenal temperament. I would definitely recommend, because she has 2 of them now from this particular farm. If anybody's looking for a gaited horse, to check them out, because they both have exceptional temperaments. And gaited horses do, I think.
Oh, do they?
A little bit. I don't do a ton of them, but the handful that are in this area, they are just nice. But they do have obesity problems.
Interesting.
Apparently, she said these Kentucky ones have a lot of